Struggling with low warehouse efficiency? Tired of slow, heavy manual handling? Today, I recommend this stand on full electric stacker, your ultimate labor-saving solution. With a stand-in driving design, it's comfortable and reduces fatigue during long shifts. Electric drive and lifting. All functions in one ergonomic handle. Easy to operate forward reverse. Lift steer, beginners can master it quickly. Compact body, small turning radius. Perfect for narrow aisles and tight spaces. Strong hydraulic system ensures stable lifting and safe cargo handling. Large battery for all-day working. Long endurance, low maintenance. Ideal for factories, warehouses, logistics, and supermarkets. It helps you save labor, boost efficiency, and cut costs. We are a direct factory supplier with reliable quality and professional after-sales service. Contact us now for details and best price.